Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderful and amazing people? You guys know anytime I get a little bit of a nugget, I have to come and share it with you guys. Well, you guys know that I've been having problems with my skin ever since I started taking that prednisone. My skin broke out, and after the breakouts, I started to develop dark spots from all of the breakouts and stuff like that. I found a regimen, okay, that has started to lighten those dark spots and those reduce those pimples. It's only been like 4 days. Okay, I noticed it after like day two. And then I'd say, you know what, I got to keep up with this regimen and see if it's going to definitely fade these dark spots. And it has already started to fade the dark spots. And like I said, it's only been 4 days since I've been following this particular regimen. Let me show y'all exactly what I got going on. Okay, let me tell y'all what you're going to need first and foremost. You're going to need some Colgate. I know you're probably like, Colgate, yes. Get some Colgate toothpaste, but get the one with the baking soda and peroxide. Number one, baking soda and peroxide are natural lighteners. So definitely get the Colgate with the baking soda and peroxide, okay? You're going to need some witch hazel. We all know about the witch hazel, okay? This is all natural. You're going to need some turmeric. Now, I only have the turmeric capsules. I don't actually have turmeric, just the regular turmeric powder, but this is what I have, and it's the same exact thing, okay? But get you some turmeric powder, all right? Turmeric curcum, however you pronounce that. Y'all know, girl, I'm country, okay? This particular kind right here, not the necessarily the capsules, but get you some turmeric, okay? This is what the capsule looks like that I'm using, but just get you some regular turmeric. You're gonna need you some apple cider vinegar, okay, with the mother. Get the one with the mother, because that's the one I'm using. I'm only telling you about what I'm using. You could probably get the regular apple cider vinegar, but get the one with the mother. And this is the piece de resistance, this black seed oil. All right. Now, because I'm recording this myself, I've already added the toothpaste and I've already opened one turmeric capsule in here. But get you just a tablespoon like this and put you some of that in like a dish or whatever, and put you also a tablespoon of turmeric, depending on how much you're going to need. I wouldn't make this stuff in advance, okay? And I've already opened all my bottles to show you guys how I'm going to make this paste and how you need to make yours, okay? Now we're going to take this black seed oil, and this is good for all types of stuff. I've already talked about the black seed oil. I'll link that down below for y'all to know all of the benefits of black seed oil, but it's also good for your skin, girl. So this is how much I put in here. I normally put like a cap full. So I'm just going to eyeball it because, again, I am recording and I'm holding this with one hand and doing this with another. So put just a little bit in here. So we're going to go with about that much, okay? Not a lot at all. You don't need a lot of the stuff. Now we're going to go in with the apple cider vinegar. Same thing, about a teaspoon. About a teaspoon, depending on how much you're making, okay? About that much. A little bit more of the apple cider vinegar. And the apple cider vinegar is also a natural skin lightener, okay? I already have the turmeric in there. So now we're going to go in with the witch hazel. Now this, girl, I was using this by itself until I developed, until I discovered this other little regimen. And the way you do this is after you put all of your stuff in here, you're going to mix it around and you're just going to apply it on your face. So as far as the witch hazel, I do put a little bit more of the witch hazel than the other stuff. No particular reason. Number one, this stuff is cheap. Doesn't really matter. And then I mix this up until it forms into like a little bit of a paste, okay? So you're going to mix this all up. I know it looks crazy. I know it looks crazy, but trust me when I tell you, okay? Trust me when I tell you, this is going to lighten your spots, all right? I might need to put a little bit more toothpaste in there. No, this is going to be good. I made a little bit more than I actually need. But honey, let me tell you a little bit of something, okay? This is going to lighten your dark spots. And I definitely want to tell y'all that I know a lot of people are going to be like, do you need to put them specifically on the spots? It's only going to lighten your spots. It's not going to lighten your entire face, okay? Or at least I haven't noticed that for me. I'll keep y'all posted on that. But it ain't going to lighten your whole entire face. It is a lightening ingredient. It is a lightening, these are lightening products, but it's not going to lighten your entire face. It's only going to lighten your dark spots. I haven't noticed any, like, you know, random light spots or anything like that. I'm only noticing that the dark spots are lightened. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you guys how to put this on your skin. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to apply this, and I do apologize, girl, I'm looking busted, but that's not what this video is about. And I already, y'all see my face is shining. That's because I do apply some black seed oil just regularly to my face in conjunction with this concoction. Okay, so what I take is just some regular cotton balls, and that's what I use to apply this to my face. Now you guys see the situational on my forehead. That was not there before I started taking that medication. These were actual like big hard pimple situations. All right, once I started using this particular concoction with the toothpaste and all of that stuff, that dried up. And as you can see, well, you guys don't know what it looked like before, but all of this was sick, girl. It was so dark that it was ridiculous. Even here on my chin, this right, not chin, on my cheek, this was really dark. And also over here, it was all bad. Okay, it's already starting to lighten, and it's only been 4 days. Just all of this stuff is all natural. So all I'm going to say is just try it for yourself. So I'm going to get my cotton ball, and I'm just going to dip it in this concoction. Okay, just dip it in the concoction. And I don't have a mirror here, so I'm going to be using my, camera to see what I'm doing. And all you're going to do is just rub it on your face like this, or wherever you're needing to lighten. It doesn't have to be your face. You can use this stuff for your body, wherever you need to use it for. Just rub it wherever you need it, okay? And again, do not worry about this lightening your entire face, because it ain't gonna do that. I mean, it's just not. Okay, so this is what I do. And even under my chin, I have dark spots under my chin. I've been using it there. I have a little spot here on the side of my nose, as you guys can see. I'm gonna put it there. And you can do it all over your face if that's what you choose to do. If you want to just, lighten whatever, just put it over your whole face. But me in particular, I only use it on the spots that I need to use. And as you can see, I've made entirely too much. But when you put this stuff on, what you're going to do is you're going to leave it on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes. And as you leave it on, what it's going to do, it's going to start to harden, because of course you have the toothpaste in there. So you need to give it time to, penetrate your skin and all of that good stuff. Now, after you give it time to penetrate your skin, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the bathroom or wherever you wash your face at, and you're going to, this is what I use. I use Ambi, the Ambi facial wash. That's what I use to wash this off of my face. And after I wash it off, I take the witch hazel and I go over my face again with the witch hazel, and I get a little bit more. I get another cotton ball and I put some more black seed oil on there after the witch hazel dries up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to go in there. I'm going to wash it off with my Ambi facial wash. I'm going to follow it up with the witch hazel, and then I'm going to put the black seed oil back on my face, and I'm just going to let that sit on there all day long until it just, until it dries up, girl. That's what I'm going to do. And that's what I have been doing for the last, like I said, for this particular regimen, I've been doing for 4 days, and it's already starting to lighten up my skin. I've been doing the witch hazel and using the black seed oil, but since I've been using the toothpaste, the turmeric, the apple cider vinegar, and all of that good jazz, girl, phenomenal. Y'all know I like to come and share these nuggets, so definitely get you some of this stuff. All of the stuff is cheap that I'm showing you guys. Is not expensive at all. You can make this stuff at home yourself to lighten up your dark spots. Any sisters out there, anybody with dark skin, I know that a lot of Caucasian people, they get pimples too. And if you get pimples or whatever, red spots or whatever, the toothpaste is also good for you, girl. Do not fret. Get you some of this stuff, make you some concoctions, and use it every single day. Don't come back to me after 4 days saying it don't work. Give it a week, okay? Give it 2 weeks. Matter of fact, give it a month, all right? Give it a month, because all of this stuff is all natural. It's not going to hurt you, all right? See you guys in the next video. Bye.